When you're looking for a place to call your own, River's Edge Realty will guide you home. From the shorelines to the city streets, we're here to help where dreams and real estate meet. River's Edge Realty.
Welcome to 78 Canterbury Drive, a custom-built colonial estate nestled along the Potomac River and Aquia Creek. This rare gem, located in an exclusive 12-home community, seamlessly blends luxury, history, and breathtaking natural beauty. With direct water access, a private dock, boat slip, and boat ramp, this home is a boater's paradise. Whether you love sailing, fishing, or simply soaking in the panoramic water views, this property is designed for those who cherish the riverside lifestyle. Step inside to elegance and grandeur. Featuring 9-foot ceilings, intricate crown molding, and abundant natural light, this home offers stunning views from every corner, especially from the expansive verandas. The spacious family room boasts cathedral ceilings and a cozy propane fireplace, making it the perfect place to unwind. The chef's kitchen features an island stainless steel appliances and ample cabinetry, seamlessly flowing into the grand living spaces. Relax in the gorgeous sunroom, a peaceful escape offering stunning panoramic views of the Potomac River. Whether sipping morning coffee or watching the sunset, this space is pure tranquility. The primary suite is a private retreat, complete with a cozy sitting area, a walk-in closet, and an elegant ensuite bath. Indulge in the soaking tub, dual vanities, and walk-in shower, your own personal spa at home. Wow, take a look at this primary suite closet. 2 additional upstairs bedrooms share a spacious walk-in closet, perfect as a playroom or extra living space. With formal dining and 2 main floor flex rooms, this home is both elegant and versatile. The fully finished walkout basement offers endless possibilities. Whether you dream of a home theater, gym, or entertainment space, this level is ready to be transformed. Plus, it's pre-wired for surround sound and roughed in for a 4th bathroom. The fully finished walkout basement offers endless possibilities. Whether you dream of a home theater, gym, or entertainment space, this level is ready to be transformed. Plus, it's pre-wired for surround sound and roughed in for a 4th bathroom. Step outside to a private oasis filled with fruit-bearing trees, walking trails, and a serene gazebo. Whether enjoying the fire pit at the private park or taking in the incredible river views from Pirates Peak, this estate is truly one of a kind. Beyond your private retreat, explore Aquia Landing Park. Just minutes away, a historic Civil War site with sandy beaches, pavilions, and a top fishing destination. Plus, with quick access to Washington, D.C., Quantico, Fredericksburg, and the Brook Station VRE, commuting is a breeze. This once-in-a-lifetime estate seamlessly blends luxury, history, and waterfront living. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of Virginia's treasured past and present. Schedule your private tour today. For more information or to schedule a private tour, contact Lauren Smith with River's Edge Realty Group at 706-329-1101 or visit riversedgerealtygroup.com or email her at lauren@riversedgerealtygroup.com. Your dream waterfront estate awaits.
When you're looking for a place to call your own, River's Edge Realty will guide you home. From the shorelines to the city streets, we're here to help where dreams and real estate meet. River's Edge.